Hello, welcome to Source UK. My name is Alan Peatfield. This is the Carif 260 machine, made in Italy, very high quality, very high performance, and it's why I have chosen the Carif range to be my director's choice machines. This is a control panel. Obviously you've got emergency stop switch, thermal overload, stop and start, and a 2-speed switch here for the blade speeds. You can have an optional blade speed variator at extra cost. The mitering, just unlock here. You have 2 stops here and here which you can adjust and lock, so you can bring the machine round to a preset mitre angle of your choice, left and right. The machine swivels round on bearings, unlike some machines which are just metal to metal, and obviously you can slide the vice this way for doing the opposite cut. The measuring stop is 500mm. You can have a digital measuring system at extra cost, 3 metres or longer if you require. The stop will swivel out the way so you don't have a trapped piece of metal here between here and the blade. On this machine, being a semi-automatic, you'll find it necessary to have the blade returned to just above your workpiece, which is easily adjusted on this stop here. I'll just demonstrate the machine coming up to where its predetermined position is. The blade guidance system comprises carbide tips here and here for very long life. The coolant is supplied here and here. This is the blade tension. There's a white line going on this collar here and a slot on the shaft there. When you do it up correctly, the slot should be in the middle of the white line. The machine has a helical gearbox and a geared pump. All these components are made in-house by the people who make the machine. Most machines have a downfeed adjustment with a lever or a dial for the speed that the bow comes down. But this machine has the addition of downfeed pressure adjustment. This means that when you're cutting something solid like this, you can set the machine up that it will cut through the thin part of the work faster than it will here. It will actually slow down towards the middle. And when you're cutting box section like this, you can set the machine up so that it cuts quickly through this part, and when it gets to the difficult part, the pressure will be relieved and it will go slower through the difficult part, giving you a straighter cut, a faster cut and better blade life. On the machine we have these 2 sacrificial plates. When they get worn you can turn them over, but as they're made of stock bar you can just go out and buy another piece of stock bar and replace that bed straight away without any real cost. The base of the machine, just as a finishing touch, is heavy duty steel. It's over 4mm thick and it is powder coated.